bed. God, that is cool.
I loved your video because it was just like. Hi, baby.
See, I don't understand this button.